help you verify precise tool cutting geometry and variable spindle speeds visually, several simulation options have been added in NC Simul. As of 2022.3, you can import specific complex 3D models for the tool portions in addition to the extension and holders. It can be useful even for something as simple as a relief shank. It will now be shown as imported until the spindle turns on and it simulates the rotation and cutting. Instead, you can turn on animated rotation of milling tools, which will hold the geometry and make the tool and holder rotation visible to the user's eye. The rotation will actually speed up or slow down based on the real S call in the G-code or completely stop. Taking it a step further, you can activate the animated chips, which will show them flying off the material when the tool is engaged on a block. You can still add machining sounds or animated coolant just like in the past. As always, NC Simul will be constantly checking the G-code toolpaths for you, alarming out for any collisions, whether that's as small as a non-relief shank or fully burying the tool holder into the material.